Welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. And fried rice is all about prep work, so you gotta make sure and prepare everything. So I have here my peas and everything all dried up. I have my carrots all diced. So fried rice, so the rice you want to use is overnight rice. The reason behind it is because it's a lot drier. If you were to use fresh rice, it'd be a little bit harder to make due to the steam and the moisture in it. After you take it out of the fridge, you want to break apart the rice so it's like in individual grains, and that's going to give you the best texture. Okay, I have here a couple garlics or 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. I have here 2 shallots sliced up. I have my shrimp here, the vein and everything like that. So make sure you slice everything up, including the onions. And I got a little special secret sauce made from my mom. The only thing you don't want to prep is the eggs. Eggs, if you were to beat them right now, they'll become a lot watery, so you want to do this at the last minute. We're going to cook this in stages first because the kitchen stovetop isn't hot enough. So we want to use a wok because of the concave. It traps a lot more heat and it has a lot more surface area. So we're going to heat this up. We'll put oil around the edges. We put in our shallots. It's called bow wok, or exploding the wok if you directly translate it. This allows to get the aroma of the wok. I'm adding in my garlic now. Once it's a little translucent, I'm gonna add my shrimp in. I'm gonna turn down the heat a bit because I don't want my garlic to burn. So my shrimp is about 85–90% cooked. I'm gonna take it out and let it rest while we cook the rest of our ingredients. Put our oil in. We're gonna add our rice here. When you're doing it, do it from the edges so you have a less chance of breaking up the rice. I'm gonna add in my carrots now. I'm adding my carrots in now because carrots will take a lot longer for it to cook. Now I'm gonna salt my rice. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of soy sauce on the edges. I don't want to add too much soy sauce. You want to be able to taste the egg and the natural flavor of it. It's more to just get the soy sauce is more to use just for the aroma. I have my peas in. Once everything is dry, get the egg in one smooth texture. We'll dump it in. And now you gotta be fast. I personally like to cook, get each rice covered in egg. We're gonna add our shrimp. Add our scallions. This is a homemade XO sauce that's basically filled with dried shrimp, scallions, and scallops. I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm just gonna add this in. I'm gonna give this as a toss. The XO sauce will give it a nice little depth of flavor and a little kick to it.